How to use guerrilla marketing to grow your business. It is a cost-effective way to promote your coaching business and reach your ideal client, as well as stand out from the competition. Get creative. When you're dealing with guerrilla marketing, it's all about thinking outside the box, coming up with unique ways and unexpected ways to promote yourself. How do you start? Identify your target audience, understanding who you're marketing to, where they are, and where you're going to find them, and what they really want. Create a strong value proposition clearly to communicate the unique value you offer so you can set yourself apart from other coaches. Leverage social proof by using testimonials, case studies, social media to showcase the results you've achieved with your clients. There's nothing like hearing it from them versus from you. Then utilize low-cost marketing tactics. Look for cost-effective ways to reach your target audiences such as networking events, community outreach, online marketing, Facebook groups, OPP, other people's people, finding opportunities to connect with people you can joint venture, OPS, other people's stages, where they already have people that you want to do business with. Remember to be consistent. Guerrilla marketing is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that requires consistency and persistence. So measure, monitor, adjust, and control, track your progress, and adjust your strategy based on what's working and what's not, and see your success grow.